some bicycle repair. See if we can get some air in the tire. Leave it. It just goes dark after a couple minutes. It's still recording. Oh, well, that did it. Up to It's going to take more than a simple repair. Okay, guys. Taylor come down, our bicycle had a flat tire. It's more than just pumping it up. We're going to have to try to put a patch on it. I will say, anything you see us do in these videos, we do the best we can. If you do something that we're doing, take it out at your own risk. Took a little sandpaper just to rough up the plastic or the rubber a little bit. Got a tube seal we're going to put on it. See if we can get her back bicycling today. Let's see. It's gonna stick or not. Like to have some hot seal to put on it. Cut. Okay. Yeah. See if I see any other holes in it, the reason it leaked down. Okay, that's gonna be good enough for a quick fix. Just don't hold, pop by our new tube. You're gonna get nasty laying on that table, huh? It ain't nothing but pure dirt on that table. Okay. It's definitely not like trying to change the car tire or a motorcycle tire. It's quite easy. Okay, I'm gonna take the valve stem out so it won't hold air. We just want to blow it up, try to seat the tire in the tube. and let the air back out of it. Okay.
Do you want me to go get the top?
Okay. Now we got the tube centered in the tire. We'll put the stem back in and pump it up, set the pressure, see if it'll hold. Okay. Tire pressure gauge here. 2.5 pounds. We'll do. We believe these little tires are right then. 40 psi. That's 14 and a half. 22. Make sure we're on psi, not metric. Let's go 6. Like that. I said that's not all the way. Very off. I got it up there. I don't think that held. Yeah, it didn't hold. Yeah. Okay. It's got a leak, so figure out why. I guess I'll fix it. Oh, looks like this. I'll put it right there. There's the hole. You see it? Right there. Now, this one's going to be fun to repair. Got one bicycle tube left, or patch left. If this don't hold, we're off to the store sometime to buy a new tube. Well, I still got one more there. We're at this point, nothing ventured, nothing gained. We'll give it a try. There we go. I used a little butane torch to preheat the rubber a little bit, and I backheated the seal. Reactivates the rubber, the glue a little bit, makes it stick. Okay. Put the tire back on. It'll come off real easy. There it is. And the hole. Here we go again. I grew up doing these on dirt bikes. The bicycle's nothing. You want to try your patience, do the front tire on a dirt bike one time. at about 13 years old. And your daddy's standing there laughing while you take it apart about 10 times, so you keep putting holes in it. For some reason he thought it was hilarious. I didn't.
You didn't get the valve stem out.
Oh. It's just a little fiddly. There we go. Let's seat our tube again.
I popped it off on the bottom.
Okay. That's why we're seating it to find out where it wants to be. Looks pretty good. Whew, it is hot in this shop. We didn't plan on being over here long. Didn't open the doors or turn the fans on. Y'all excuse the mess. We've been between multiple different projects here lately. That's good. Okay, back where we were a few minutes ago. Got no bars.
I just picked it up and handed it to you.
38 pounds. 40. I'm done. See if I... Yeah, it's still leaking. Yeah, it's leaking. It's not gonna hold.
Yeah, it's just gonna need a whole new tube at this point.
Well, just cut it right there. Stick it on. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, baby girl. We got to get a tube.
Okay.
And baby, got some work to go today. Okay, guys, we're back for take 2 on fixing Taylor's bicycle. Nana to the rescue. She went to the local hardware store and got her a tube. We're gonna take the valve stem out of it, install it, and see if we can get this girl riding again. Blow a little air in it to seat the tube. Looks good. We'll let it all back out, let it relax a time or two before we fill it all the way up. Put the valve stem back in. Okay. Looks good. Now we'll try to pump it up. 20 pounds. $33. A little high there, 42. A little tired. It don't take much to drop it. Just a puff. There it is, 40 pounds. And make one little young lady happy. She can go ride her bike. Just a second. That's a good one. That's one.
You got it too far in, yeah.
Yeah. Just a little fix. There it is. There we go. Minor adjustment. Looks like your brother might have hit you out with a fender there once or twice.
Fender. Can I take out this?
There we go. Get it back on the brake here. Let me have that second smallest wrench, Taylor.
Second?
Yep.
This one?
Yep. This one. Tighten this little nut up. I think you'll be good to go. There we go. Okay. Well, you know what Papa charges for a flat tire?
Huh?
You know what I charge for a flat tire?
No?
Hugs and kisses.
Ow.
Where you going? You ain't paid up yet. Mwah. There you go. You're welcome. Okay, guys. We all know money's important. Money makes the world go around. But there's more things in life that you can enjoy more. What can I say? Let's get back. Guys, we really appreciate you watching our channel. The comments are great. We love them. I never in a million years thought that Matthew and I could do such a thing on YouTube. We're thoroughly enjoying it, and it's all because of you. We appreciate it. If you would, like, subscribe, share, and leave comments. Good, bad, or indifferent. They're there. We'll read them. Had a guy comment today, wanted to see an Ezra video. Well, he's getting his prayers answered, because tomorrow we're going to run the wheels off that thing. Guys, thank you. See you back at the mill.